This is Larry Bonaroto from LarryOnLearning.com, and this is your Morning Minute. There's been a great deal of chatter lately about what kind of vehicles we'd be driving in 2035. Earlier this month, we ran a poll of auto industry professionals asking them their opinions of what fuel would power new vehicles sold in 2035. These are manufacturers and suppliers, plus dealers and dealership personnel. There were 977 votes. Here's the results. First, the question: which motor vehicle powertrain will represent the largest number of new vehicles sold in 2035? Gasoline or diesel vehicles got 21% of the vote. Hybrid vehicles, that's partial electric, partial gas, got 38% of the vote. That was the biggest amount, but it was still less than half. All electric vehicles, EVs, were 27%. And hydrogen vehicles, 14%. Now, in examining this data, several observations come to mind. Number one, although not a majority, fully 38% felt that most new vehicles sold in 2035 would be hybrids. That's gas-electric vehicles. If true, we're going to need fossil fuels for transportation for many years in the future. Second, even with mandates from state and federal governments, the EVs, fully electric vehicles, only 27% of those responding felt that EVs would be the majority sold in 2035. Many cited problems caused by the batteries, including the lack of enough mineral material for batteries, the cost of replacement batteries, and the problem of disposing of spent batteries. Third, 1 in 5, 21%, felt that vehicles using gasoline or diesel would be the majority sold in 2035. Many cited the cost of electric vehicles and their shorter range on a full charge. And fourth, surprisingly, 14% of respondents felt that hydrogen technology, which extracts hydrogen from air or water, would be advanced enough by 2035 to garner a majority of the new vehicle market. Now, this survey was not a scientific poll. However, it was conducted with only car industry professionals. It was offered to this group because these people usually have some insider information. Plus, they have a vested stake in the evolution of cars due to both technological innovations and government regulations. Now, let's hear from you, the folks who actually buy or lease cars, trucks, vans, and SUVs. In your opinion, in 2035, will most new vehicles sold be powered by 1, gas or diesel, 2, hybrid vehicles, that's partially gas, partially electric, 3, all electric, that's EVs, or 4, hydrogen? If you would, vote 1, 2, 3, or 4 and get your message back to us. I appreciate your interest, and that is today's Morning Minute.